The question that often comes up is, what is mechanical engineering and what do mechanical engineers do? And honestly, it's the hardest question we get.
Mechanical engineering deals with moving parts and figuring out how things work in general.
Mechanical engineers focus primarily on mechanical and thermal systems.
Mechanical engineering, it's the basics of all engineering pretty much.
Ultimately, mechanical engineers are involved in such a wide variety of industries and products and types of activities. The overall goal is to come up with innovations, to come up with new products, new designs, new techniques, new processes to make the world a better place.
Mechanical engineers are hired by virtually every industry here in the U.S. and abroad.
The field of mechanical engineering is just, I think most people would agree, is the broadest of the engineering discipline.
If you like math or science or just that stuff really interests you, engineering is definitely a great place to kind of start and see if that's what you want to do.
Mechanical engineers are also heavily involved in industries that we probably don't think of mechanical engineers being involved in, such as the food processing industry.
You could work for places like Halliburton or Schlumberger, the oil companies.
With engineering, you can do like anything with lenses, anything that has to do with like changing like optical light.
Some of our graduates go to work for finance companies, for business operations, and do business analysis.
There's like the cosmetic industry.
The design of medical equipment.
Mechanical engineering is also a discipline to pursue if you're interested in environmental issues.
So mechanical engineers make a difference in a wide range of industries and can impact, again, everything we do in our daily lives.
As a mechanical engineer, you have the ability to reach out in so many different industries, so you can choose what specialty you enjoy and what you're the best at.
Once you get your mechanical engineering degree, there's really no limit to where you can go.
Why go to Texas A&M Mechanical Engineering? I think that's a good question.
I chose Texas A&M's mechanical engineering program because I heard that it had a really good reputation.
We're the top-ranked recruited mechanical engineering program in the country.
Another distinctive of the mechanical engineering program here at Texas A&M is the relationship that we have with our companies, with our industry supporters. We get a lot of feedback from our companies and from our recent graduates that the experiences that they had in the design classes and doing the presentations and working on teams is something that really provides a strong benefit to them when they get out there in the professional world.
Texas A&M mechanical engineers have an advantage because of the Aggie network.
In the mechanical engineering program, you're not a number.
Almost all of the lab classes and certainly the capstone senior design classes put a premium emphasis on communication skills and developing those skills.
The professors are interested in getting to know you and working with you. A lot of them take on students and have them during the summers and during different semesters work with them on research.
Everyone's just really friendly and you don't have to feel like you can't ask somebody a question.
There are many professors who in class will get to know you and get to know your name. They want you to excel, they want to help you, they want to get more Aggie engineers out there. So that's definitely a huge advantage and something that's amazing about A&M.
There are ample opportunities for our students to be engaged and get involved with leadership opportunities, both within the department in terms of professional societies, but also outside of the department in other student organizations.
A&M has a huge number of student organizations.
I'm involved in the sailing club.
I am in a sorority, and you can definitely be in a sorority and do engineering at the same time.
I was a part of the big event committee for 2 years, and it was amazing. It was a wonderful experience.
And I've been able to do Habitat for Humanity.
I'm in the ASME.
I also got to be in a flow my freshman year, which was a leadership organization, and that was amazing.
And I just think that if you don't get involved in A&M, you're missing a huge part of what A&M stands for, and there's so many things that you can get involved in that's really important, I think, as a student.
Another reason for coming to Texas A&M University is the opportunities that we have in terms of study abroad.
You can basically take classes anywhere in the world, from Spain to Brazil or anywhere, and just get credit for those classes.
I took 2 classes in Spain when I studied abroad in the summer after my sophomore year, and they were in sustainability and environmental engineering. And I was able to receive senior technical elective credit for that.
Employers are looking for students who have got the broader cultural experience that a study abroad gives. There are expanded opportunities for women graduates of our mechanical engineering program.
When you say that you're a woman in engineering, a lot of people still have the stereotype of engineers as being like male, so you kind of stand out of the crowd, and women are good to have in teams.
And we're able to see things maybe from a different side or have different views on certain things.
There's opportunities for a woman graduate to go into the food service industry, to go into the defense industry, to go into the oil and gas industry, to go into cosmetics, and to go into the green industry. So there are opportunities here that a student should consider.
Women are able to bring just a different perspective on engineering.